Now that we're all set up, we're going to go ahead and create here inside of our main method an instance of the triangle. We cannot create an instance of the abstract class by itself. Remember, the triangle just has to extend the abstract class. So I'm going to go ahead and say triangle T1 equals new triangle. And then let's go look at what information needs to be passed to the triangle. We cut down quite a bit of it. So we need the length of the sides, the corners, and double breadth. So in a double form, we'll say each side is worth 5. We'll say that it has 3 corners and that the breadth of it is 7.5. So then what we're able to do is we're able to go ahead and execute our different methods here. So T1, now keep in mind again, if I wanted to hide these, I could have set them all to private, and that would not have been a bad deal. In fact, just to reiterate that, if we go back over here to my abstract, and go ahead and just throw the word private in front of these, this should take care of this. And keep in mind, a lot of these we're not using, just for demonstration purposes. Triangle is still okay. Private length of sides is private access and ab demo. So what we'd have to do here then, if we set them all to private like we just did, is create within here methods to get the information. So public double get sides, return this dot length of sides. And then what was the other one that was airing out? So then we could just call to this dot get sides and have it do the calculation correctly. Same down here. I'm guessing that this is the same error. Correct. So now we're able to fully not see the list of variables outside of breadth because we didn't set that one. But then we can call to calc area and calc perimeter, no problem. Did they receive anything? They did not. So go here, calc area, and then we're going to print out t1.calc perimeter. And we're going to go ahead and run it. It's going to ask us where's our main method at. We tell it. And it gives us the two numbers based off the size of our triangle, how the equation was set up. So you can see that abstract is used a lot to set up part of what you're working with, but then you realize that as you get to the more specifics of what you're working with, you need to lay out the detail more. So that's kind of how abstract's used in planning. Not to be confused with interface, which we'll show you next.